I came to the States in 2014 to pursue my PhD in robotics. During my PhD, I had this passion to start my company, Westwood Robotics, and build humanoid robots for humanity to help people. There are always mechanisms or design you have in your mind that is almost impossible or too expensive to manufacture. You gotta design it so that it's manufacturable, not just only manufacturable, but also manufacturable in an affordable way. The other one is validating. You have a really cool design, you have those smart ideas, right? But then some of them are just impossible to be designed strong enough. You gotta, make changes to it. Sometimes you just find yourself in a dead end. I'm not a conservative prototype. I'm the guy that if I have something that could work, I'll just go ahead and make it, But then I'll definitely come back to modify it. With SOLIDWORKS, first of all, the 3D designing tool or 3D designing software, you can realize everything, right? I already have a mindset of how it should be done. And I know exactly how much this would be because I can already selecting if I should go with 5-axis or 3-axis while I'm designing. Simulation has been a workflow, like something standard for us. We gotta throw any design to simulation first before we move on to anything else. Because without that validation, we are just not confident enough of making it at all. It's always the design capability of, creating something in your mind into an actual part, smoothly transit into simulating that part to validate if it's useful or not, smooth connection with each other, very smooth transition. What I think about SOLIDWORKS, it is one of the most important tools, one of the most important process of generating our robot. I would panic if I wake up and realize I don't have it anymore.